Lonely. Valentine is coming. Valentine is coming. Valentine is coming.
Hey guys, it's your girl Kamaa, NETE, and I'm back with another video. Oh man, I know it's been a minute, but it's okay because, I'm still here. Alright, don't think I forgot. We're still going to go ahead and do our color theory series, but today we're going to first hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get into this Valentine's Day look, okay? Okay. So I'm going and I'm doing my eyebrows, as you can see. I'm filling those in. Sorry if this video drags a little bit, but it's okay. Have faith in me. I know you guys do, okay? So once they're feeling to my liking, as you can see, I got my Oscar eyebrows. We go ahead and we correct them, get them nice and crisp with that concealer by cleaning them up, okay? Take your time. Eyebrows are hard for me. Don't think because I like my makeup that I don't struggle with them. I do, okay? So I'm just going ahead and I'm basically jumping some steps and I'm adding concealer all over my T-zone. So that's under my eyes, a little bit on the nose, the chin. I added a lighter shade because I wanted my inner eyes to pop. And here I am blending out that concealer. I later figured out that I was using the wrong brush. So it only did half of the job. And then I just was like, dang, this is not my brush that I use for my face. So we go ahead and we jump into the blender. So I'm going and I'm blending that out, making sure that it is seamless the way I need it to be. Once I do that, I am now putting on my foundation. I do not use a lot of foundation on my skin. I just use it for the areas that I do not conceal. And I'm blending that out. I know, I say it all the time, it looks like I'm beating myself up, but I'm not. And now we're going ahead with the Simba, we go ahead with the Simba and we blend that out. Once that is blended to my liking, I'm going in with my face powder by Maybelline. This is the lighter shade, that way that I don't have any creasing when it comes to my eyes when I smile and all that good stuff. Yeah, I was too into a show while I was doing this, so see, I just keep looking horrible. I'm so sorry, y'all. Here I am adding some to the chin, still trying to look over like I'm not over here trying to do a video. You'll get it together, sis. Get it together. In the top part of the T-zone. Once I do that, I blend off of the excess that sits around, and then I'm adding my same color face powder. Sorry, guys. And I'm just adding that. Make sure that I'm setting in on my foundation and concealer. Once I do that, I add a little bit of bronzer to the side. Adding back in that color that I talk about, the depth of them cheekbones. And you don't have to do the top part, but I like to do the top part. That way it doesn't look like I got a big old forehead. Once that is done, I'm adding some pink blush. It's Valentine's Day, okay? You gotta have some pink and some reds and ooh. So I smile so that I can get that nice pink all on the apple of my cheeks and blending that out because I love blush. And I take a little bit, to still add some color to the forehead, add some color to the face. So now I'm going in with some eyeshadow. I'm taking like a nude color and I'm just working that all under my eyebrow. This is basically going to be my transitioning color and everything. As you can see, I'm doing it on the other side too. I slowed it down that way you can see I was having trouble with this brush, and I don't know why I continue to use it, but it's been a while, so I was like, okay, you're not coming out the way I need you to. I then go in with like a darker brown, and I am putting that underneath the transitioning color but above the lid. I then take a medium brown and I go between the two colors so that I can blend that. That way I have no harsh lines. And it gives me a gradient color scale. And this is something that anybody can do. I didn't want to go with a look that was so hard. Like, this is a look for everybody to accomplish while they go on their Valentine's date. So I go in with a darker brown and I just work that into the crease of my eyelid. I'm building that up, but I'm blending at the same time. Now I went back in with that medium brown color because I felt like I was losing it a little bit, but you're going to see me go back in with that color, maybe another time, because I don't want to lose colors, but I want it to be soft and blended. Once I have that like that, I take this light champagne shimmery eyeshadow and I am putting that all over the lid. If you know me, you know I love glitter. You can't not do a look without glitter, okay? My eyes have to glisten, okay? Yo, I'm so sorry, y'all. I was so distracted while even doing this look. It was so late, and then I had the TV on, and I'm just like, yo. But please excuse me. I'm still doing this for y'all, okay? So as you can see, I'm going back in, like I said before, with that warm brown color, and I'm bringing it down a little bit because I felt like the dark brown was just overshadowing, but I still take a little bit of it and I blend them together. See, no harsh lines, but we still have the depth. We have the gradient and then we have the pop. So now we're going in with our red matte lipstick. This lipstick is a super matte, so I was struggling to get it on, and I did do another layer so that it would show the way I needed to show. And you can use any red lipstick. It could be a liquid red lipstick or, a stick red lipstick. Whatever works. So now I'm going in, giving you a depth stare, adding my mascara, bottom lashes as well, because they matter too. Now we are misting the face. That way everything sets in. I'm adding some highlighter to the nose, to the cupid's bow, the chin. I also added some under the brow. And then put some into my tear duct. And still added a little bit more to the nose because I needed to pop a little bit. And that's basically all that I did. So here is the final look, my guys, my friends, my loved ones. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you guys make sure, you share it to somebody else. It's Valentine's Day, baby. All right. Bye.